Hey everyone, it is the Natureman, and thanks for tuning in to another Natureman Adventures. And today I want to show you a really cool site. This is the Mill Pond site here in the Freetown State Forest. And without further ado, we're going to get right into it with a rusty relic. Check this out, folks. This is really cool. Wow. Mixture of concrete and a pipe and some rusty metal here, a couple of open holes. No idea what it was used for at all, but it is a relic here in these woods, and it's just a testimony as to life that was out here at some point in time, covered by the forest land now. And we're going to go down this path here and explore. We will enter into what I believe was part of the building for this mill site, and if I can get some information about this location, I will, and I'll leave it in the description below, whether it be a link or some of the information at all. So let's go down this pathway and show you what we have going on. To my right, you can hear, or to my left, actually, you can hear some waterfalling, and that's because there is a beautiful waterfall we're going to check out as well. Absolutely beautiful. So, as we approach through this pathway, let me show you what's going on. We have to the left of me, you can see the beginning of this wall made of stones and rocks, and this is the entry into this space here. You can see there's another portion of this rock wall here on the right hand side. So we are now entering into the workspace, I believe, for this site. Absolutely incredible the amount of time it took to build these structural buildings. And we're going to get onto that other side in just a moment, and you're going to see how incredible this structure was. And I just love also all these tree vines, if you will. Just incredible, folks. A little muddy, so I've got my boots on today. And check this out. Wow. First off, we got more brick here. Let's see what we have for brick. Yep. No markings, no name on it. But I can see we have a bunch of piles of stones here. So all kinds of structural elements here. Looks like there is a platform right there. And then just look at the construction of this building. You can see how parts of it have fallen apart. But look at the way they stack these rocks to form this wall. Let's take a quick look here. Absolutely unreal. And as we enter into this section of this building, you can see a lot of the stones have crumbled from this wall. So this was one section of it. You see the wall over there that forms this other side. And as we go through this pathway, folks, you see on the other side of this structure. And what's really cool is you can actually see over here there's a window. I don't know if you'll be able to see that from this vantage point. I'll show you from the other side. But there's a window there. Looks like there was maybe another doorway here. Or actually, maybe the doorway was there. Not really sure. But incredible, folks. That water. We're going to see that in a moment too. It's beautiful, folks. Beautiful. So there's the hole there. And I'm trying to contain my excitement just a little bit. Can't really see it from here, but the window that's over there. All right, folks, this here is the creme of this mill site. Check this out. Look at this. How gorgeous. We have another rusty relic right here. Cover to something. And we will climb up this hill that will take us to a bridge overlooking this beautiful waterfall. But look at this, folks. This is just so amazing. Let me just be quiet for a minute so you guys can admire it too. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. All right, folks, let's go up this hill and check out the bridge and get another view of this incredible waterfall here. All right, folks, we'll get a view of this pond in just a moment as well. But check this out. Look at this, folks. Amazing. There's our bridge. We'll go on top of that in just a second. But just another view of this incredible waterfall. Wow. And let's give you a view of this beautiful pond here, the Mill Pond. Look at this. Absolutely stunning. All right, folks, let's just follow this path real quick and see what's over in this section here. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna go explore a little bit. I'll bring you guys back in a moment. All right, so I just climbed up this hill, and this brings me to this spot where there's a little camp area. So let me show you what we have going on over here, folks. There's a bench there. And a bit of a fire pit here. So this might be a good spot for me to chill, to relax, to enjoy being out here in the woods. What do we got here? That's definitely not rusty relics, but little bit of a fire ring here against this stone, so people come out here and have a little bit of fun. But look at this, folks. We've got these incredible views. All right, folks, so here's some bonus footage because I'm walking back the pathway that I came into this location, and I saw what looks like a path leading up to this rock wall and past it. And sure enough, this is the path that I saw. So I stopped following it because I'm curious. I want to explore. And then look at what I discovered. Yep, another cellar foundation. Check this out. Wow. I'm going to get a corner view here for you, folks. Look at this. And in the ground was this rusty relic. It's got a ring to it. Little hole there. So I'm not really sure what that's used for. If any of you know what that piece of history is, drop a comment below and let me know. But yeah, this pathway here leads to this amazing spot. My guess, based upon the way it looks, is some sort of a barn enclosure. So we have an entrance there into this area, and then right there we have probably the main entrance into this space. Really cool. And our main road is way over there, like the road to hike back to the car. But this pathway continues through here. Look, rock wall, which I did see when I was hiking this road. I saw that rock wall and was wondering if there was anything behind here. And sure enough, there was. So let's just follow this path. If it leads to anything interesting, I'll bring you guys back. If not, I'll hit the road and head on home. All right, folks, so I just followed that trail that led all the way over to where this big put-in stone formation is at. And then I just hiked down this ridge to this pathway here. And this is a main pathway that'll take us back to the road. I'm a little out of breath because I was going up and down the hills. My knees had definitely taken a beating. Was not using my hiking poles like I should. But that's beside the point. But look at these set of woods. So beautiful. So young. So fresh. These leaves are just absolutely incredible for these young trees. You can hear the road nearby, at least I can. So I am definitely going to sign off now because I need to pay attention where I'm going, get back to the main road and head back to the car. All right, folks, like I said, as always, hope you've enjoyed this adventure. You just never know where the path is going to take you. Get out there, have fun, explore. Do so safely. Have maps with you. Understand the lay of the land as much as you can. But yeah, have fun and see what's out there. All right, folks, I'm talking too much. I will catch up with you on the next adventure. Take care. God bless.